wildfire. You see it's moving with the wind, it's going really, really fast. If we were trying to control that on the other edge, it would be almost impossible. So we started where we can control it.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna let Laura have a try.
I don't want to do it for too long.
Alright, so to do it you're gonna dip it into the fire and then keep holding it down and then just walk backwards.
Yeah, dump some of the fuel.
You'll dump some of the fuel out and light it on fire. And then when you're done, you blow it out. Okay? Just make sure you kind of look back.
There you go.
Follow the areas of, you can go a little faster.
Yeah, you don't want it to catch you.
And see how sometimes it can get on top? You have to keep it from doing that. And just you can suffocate it out and it won't burn back this way.
We ran out of fuel, so I hope you can see, you know, the difference between the head fire and the backfire. Head fire usually burns a lot faster, and you know, it just burns right through the area. You got to have a little wind, but not too much, and of course that's critical. Now, what have we done to this area? We burned up all of the dead organic material that was on the surface. Did we kill the KR blue stem? That's a grass. No. Did we kill the little blue stem? No. All of those die back every year. So all you do is burn off the dead. And it doesn't help anything in terms of making the prairie better. We probably top killed some of these woody plants out here. Probably. How do you know? You got to come back in the spring and check it out, you know. We've done the most interesting part of the fire, but to find out anything about it, if you did any good, if anything happened, you got to come back and survey it, you know, and you should really survey ahead of time so you see, oh, there's been a reduction in this or this increase, you know, stuff like that. So fires are fun, but they don't tell you anything. Most people study the fires afterwards. So you look after the fire and you see what happened. And you know, it may be several years before you really know. Now, if you top kill something, what do? Well, you accumulate some fuel and then you burn it again. And then with the second or third fire, you may kill those woody plants. The herbaceous things like the KR and others, you got to burn those during the hot summer when they're growing, but you got to have some fuel. So we just burn this. You think we can burn the KR this summer? No, there's no fuel. There's no fuel left. The fuel is gone. So you got to wait, you know, until next year or maybe the year after until some fuel accumulates. And then when the fuel accumulates, then you burn it, but you burn it when the KR or the other species, herbaceous species that are giving you trouble or you want to reduce are growing, and then you kill them. And of course, you know, if it's something that produces seeds, you burn them before they drop the seeds, and you probably kill the seeds.